One.
My name is Jose. This is an inspection sheet for, so we're going to do an inspection on this 2006 Chevy Colorado. And this is the inspection sheet. We just go down the list on everything we're going to do. On the interior, what we would do, check all the lights, make sure they're all working, blinkers, high beams, tail lights, hazard lights, and also on the passenger side of the car, we would check the air cabin filter and just check for any damages or anything, see if it needs to be replaced. Here we are, under the hood. We're going to check the battery, and we're also going to check all the fluids that are in the vehicle. Alright, negative, positive, don't shock yourself. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to hit enter. I'm not going to start the engine. Bodie. You want to check all the hoses, make sure everything's not leaking, broken, cracked, rotting. Like all the hoses here seem fine. Everything down here is fine. The belt, serpentine belt, good use and work. The air filter, check it, make sure it looks good. Pretty sure it does look good. And for references, you would check it. Check all the fluids, radiator fluid, window washer fluid, and power steering. Check your oil, check that also. And now we're going to move on to the brakes, and after brakes we're going to move on to under the vehicle. Alright, now we're going to check the brakes to see if they need to be changed, if they're good. This is the basically the way to we know if it's a good brake, okay brake, or it needs to be changed pretty much now. So right now we're just going to check the front pads on the brake, and it seems to be 8 millimeters. So of course that means it's good. It's in the green. Now we're going to check under the vehicle, make sure everything's fine. Alright, now that we're under the vehicle, we're going to check all the hoses here, make sure everything's fine. Check the steering over here. You can tell it's leaking, which isn't good. It needs to be fixed, but it's a school vehicle. Check on the other side, it's fine over here. All the hoses are fine. And we're going to start moving back. This is where the oil container is. You just keep going. Everything seems fine so far. Exhaust is fine. Lining is fine. And everything seems fine so far. Just keep going. And few joints here, make sure everything's fine, doesn't move too much. Exhaust. Right. And make sure everything looks fine around here. No rust, no corrosion, no damage. And that is checking the bottom part of the vehicle and inspection.